Do you ever notice that when you plug in your laptop with your projector using the dongle that sometimes your screen will change size? For example, you'll see the black bars appear on the left and right side of your screen and everything else seems to be enlarged. Well, to undo this, you can go to System Preferences, click on Displays, and then where it says Optimize for, click on the arrow and choose Built-in Display instead. And you'll see that you regain the use of your entire screen. Then you can easily close that menu out and resize your other windows accordingly. Now, from time to time, that might actually not function well with your touch activity on your interactive board. So you may want to go back into System Preferences, Displays, and then choose Display again instead of Built-in Display. And then click on the Scaled button and select the top one that says 1280 by 1024. And then that should work better with the touch function on your whiteboard. If you're lucky, you'll be able to avoid all of this setting preferences changes if when you open this display menu, instead of where it says optimize for, instead of saying display or built-in display, it may just say Epson PJ. If it says Epson PJ, then it should automatically be formatted exactly how it should be used with the projector.